हेलो, सत श्री अकाल, प्रणाम, आदाब दोस्तों। आज के पहले एपिसोड में स्टॉक टॉक्स के बनाती बॉम्बर्स के आज हम शुरू करने वाले हैं। तो सबसे पहली खबर आज की, तो नेस्ले जो स्विस फूड जायंट है, उन्होंने इम्यून थेरेपेटिक्स विच इज़ द ओनली ड्रग मेकर ऑफ पीनट बटर एलर्जीज पीनट बटर एलर्जीज they have agreed to buy at $2.6 billion with a premium of 174% at the AIMT stock at Friday close. सो नेस्ले ने पहले 25.6% ओन करता था इम्यून थेरापेटिक्स। प्लीज लेट मी डाउन कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए कि कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं इसे। तो नेस्ले पहले 25.6% ओन करता था, पर 2020 में फरवरी में जो इम्यून थेरापेटिक्स है, यूएस ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ने उसे अप्रूव कर दिया कि दैट इज द ओनली कंपनी विच इज मेकिंग दी पीनट एलर्जीज, उसकी वैक्सीन। सो AIMT ने, जो कि AIMT का जो स्टॉक था वो 29 मंथ्स पे हाई था विच इज 37, बट फिर नेस्ले ने जब बाय करा 174% प्रीमियम पे बाय करा, तो अब उसकी वैल्यू प्रिडिक्ट करते हैं एनालिस्ट कि $1 बिलियन हो जाएगी बाय 2025। सो दैट्स इट फॉर द फर्स्ट वन। लेट्स गो टू द सेकंड वन। सो डाउ एंड जोन्स था वो 0.6% डाउन चला गया, S&P 0.1, बट नैस्डैक 0.3% रेस हो गया आफ्टर द न्यूज ऑफ कोरोना वायरस वैक्सीन केम इनटू द प्लेस। सो डाउ एंड जोन्स की लीडर एप्पल ने आफ्टर द स्टॉक स्प्लिट 2.5% गेन करता ऑन द फर्स्ट ट्रेडिंग सेशन, एंड सेम एज टेस्ला। टेस्ला ने आफ्टर 5-1 स्टॉक स्प्लिट ने टेस्ला गेन्ड अप टू लाइक 4% शेयर, soaring their share price to $463.70. सो तीसरी न्यूज, वॉरेन बफे का बर्थडे 30 अगस्त को था, तो वॉरेन बफे विच इज नोन एज द ओरेकल ऑफ ओमाहा turns 90 on 30th August 2020. So the legendary investor is one of the most followed stock market leaders, or you can say mentors for youngsters. So if you don't know, so Warren Buffett is the founder, or you can say chairman of the Berkshire Hathaway, which is one of the top diversified portfolio investment, and it is the conglomerate. So उनके top 9 stocks are Apple, Bank of America, Coca-Cola, American Express, Kraft Heinz Co, Moody Corp, Wells Fargo, US Bancorp, and Daventa Incorporation. So let's move to another one. So the valuation, another edtech company comes into the place, and their values, Erudics, which is valued at $800 million. So Erudics is a platform for executive learners. They provide courses from exclusive universities such as Harvard, MIT, and many other. And they have raised a $113 million. So earlier, into 2018, their revenues was around $90 to $100 million, but after then, they are expected to gain a raise. In 2020, they have raised their evaluation from 410 in 2018 to $800 million in 2020. So, as we all know, so सबकी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रही हैं, तो Zoom एक बहुत नेसेसिटी बन गया है एक। तो Zoom वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस इनकॉर्पोरेशन ने एक नेक्स्ट लेवल हाई अचीव कर लिया अपने मार्केट के लिए। सो उन्होंने इस मंथ का सेकेंड क्वार्टर का जो रेवेन्यू है वो $663 मिलियन जस्टिफाई करा है, और फिर उन्होंने इस पूरे ईयर का जो Zoom ने प्रिडिक्ट करा था, जो उनकी रेवेन्यू होगा वो 1.77 से 1.8 था, पर दे हैव रेज्ड देयर वैल्यू टू 2.37 to 2.39 बिलियन डॉलर। तो Zoom also gained a share of 8.6% soar on Monday closing at 325.10. So the company said they have more than 370k business customers, and each having more than 10 users. So before we move forward, let's give a shout out to our sponsors, which is smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Yes, they are the sponsors, you are the sponsors. Smashing the like button, liking the like button, and smashing. So as the airplane industry or the travel industry is down, Adani, the player which is owns 6 airports in India, has yet to gain another airport, which is the Mumbai International Airport in Navi Mumbai. So they are gonna gain the percent of 74% of the upcoming 1600 crore Navy airport in Mumbai. So they will be picking about 50.5% of Adani, while 23.5% stake with the South African investors. So the chairman of GVK said that the aviation industry has been severely impacted by the COVID-19. It was fun to reform that we bring the financially strong investor in the shortest possible time for the financial position of Mumbai International Airport. So they are gonna gain the 7th airport. Earlier they have the six airports which serve around more than 8 crores people from 2019 to 2020. Platforms such as Facebook or Instagram, any user of Australia can share a news feed internationally or locally because according to the Australian government, they have passed a law in which they have to share the revenue model of the Facebook to the publishers at any price. So the Facebook head of the Australia Corp has been continuously negotiating with them, but the result is not so significant. So the Facebook owner said that we propose our version of something workable. Unfortunately, there are so many things in this proposed legislation that it makes it untenable. So let's see what's happened with the another news of the Facebook struggle. So yet another thing of the cryptocurrency, MasterCard expand their cryptocurrency program to get more firms issue cards in their network. So the giant MasterCard, which is all everyone knows the credit and the debit history they have. So they have partnered with a London-based firm called as Vermeer, and they are going to embed the cryptocurrency model in their existing debiting and crediting model. So that's all for today. Yeah, चल बंद करते हैं.